What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today it's a bit different. Basically, if you've been around the channel for a little while, you'll know, or you might have seen the video where I was at car club with the MX5, and I got a phone call from the wife saying she'd crashed her Jeep Renegade. Bit of a pain. I'll leave a little card up there if you haven't seen that. But basically, we've got the car back. I thought they were going to write it off, but they didn't. They fixed it. They've had it for 15 weeks. So had new, like, everything at the front, and it's fixed. So it's back. And today I'm going to do a little review. I'll just put the aircon on, it's a bit warm. Well, not a review. I'm going to do a comparison of this car, the 335 E92, the N54 engine twin turbo thing that you all know and love, against the Jeep Renegade, which has a whole 1 litre, actually it's 1cc off a litre, it's 999cc, but it has a turbo. We love a turbo, and it's a petrol, obviously, so we're putting the two together. I'm going to be basically comparing what they're like, or how different they are. So let's start off with MPG. On this car I get 16 miles per gallon at the moment. I haven't been hooning it really much. I haven't actually driven this car a lot recently. But yeah, 16. Let's see what we get in the Jeep. Right, so here we are in the Jeep, the Renegade, the 1 litre petrol turbocharged beast, and we are getting 31.0, so bang on 31 miles per gallon, which I don't think is actually that great, to be fair, considering. So I'll let you be the judge of that. For a small car, I mean, to be fair, it's quite a big car, small engine, so that's probably why it's getting pretty poor miles per gallon. So yeah, it is what it is. So there you go. Not great, but it's a bit better than the 335i. But then the 335i has got basically 3 of those engines in it, so it's to be expected. What's next? Now this is, I would say, one of the comfiest cars I've ever had. It's just like nice, plush, lovely. It hugs you. You've got the bolster, little airbag thing. Push the button and it squeezes you in if you want it, or you can relax it, and it's like a sofa. You've got 4 seats in this. Don't know what. There's like the little centre console thing in the back. They haven't bothered to try and make it a 5-seater. They've just stuck with 4. But yeah, it's good enough, I would say. Let's have a look at the Jeep and see how good that is. Yeah, it's not too bad. There's plenty enough room in here. 1, 2, 3 seats in the back. Nice. Right, next one is going to be oomph. How much oomph it's got. So this one, like we said, has got the 3 litre twin turbo petrol N54 engine. So let's do a little pull in this, and then we'll do a little pull in the Jeep. The mighty Renegade, Jackie as my wife calls her. Right, I'm in 6th gear for some reason, don't know why. Right, let's drop it to 3rd. Let's push it over to manual so it stays there. Right, 40 miles per hour, 3rd gear. And there's a van. Okay. It's got some oomph. Now let's try same conditions, 30 miles per hour, no, 40 miles per hour, sorry, 3rd gear, in the Renegade. Let's try it. I'm not going to be able to do 40 miles per hour in 3rd gear because I'm in a 30 mile an hour zone. So what I'll do is I'll go with 2nd gear at 25, 20 to 30 miles per hour, second gear, and we are pretty much downhill. So here we go. Nothing. Oh, turbo, 30. Okay. What I forgot is I actually filmed this earlier. Cold start comparison. The 335i on a cold start. I was a pigeon. Get out of the way. Hi. Yeah, cold start on the 335i is this. And the cold start on the Renegade is this. So there you go, a bit different, depends what you want. If you want to annoy your neighbours and just sound awesome, then you're going to want the 335i. If you want to just be a normal, good, upstanding citizen, then go for the Renegade. Sorry, got carried away there. Nice little B road. This is annoying me. I only put this in the other day. One of those smelly, nice things. I got two actually, and they're both annoying me. Because they're rattling around. Sorry, I can't talk and hoon. Probably two things I need to be able to do as a YouTube person thing. I'll just crack the window so we can hear some nice boosty boy noises. Ready? Can you hear that? I don't know, because no one can answer me. I'm just driving like a helmet. Within the law, obviously. This is mad, considering this is only like stage one. You see on YouTube and stuff like that, people that are like single turboed their N54 and they get like 700 or 800 brake, 1000 brake, whatever it is. This is just a stage one and it absolutely poos the pants out of me. I don't know if that's because of the roads I'm on. I mean, like if I'm on a motorway or like a long, like straight sort of nice road, you can hoon it and you get to that point, but I think where I live on the Isle of Wight, it's like everywhere is pretty twisty and you've got to be sort of careful where you're going. It could be a horse around the corner, so everywhere's like a little bit slower, so having a bit more power in your car over here. Oh, a bit of tyre rub. Having a bit more power in your car over here is like a lot more power on the island because you can't really use it as much. So the sensible person would just not bother. They'd just get like an off-roader or something and modify that, and you can take that everywhere. Because I don't know if you can see the scenery around me, but it's very picturesque as we drop to third gear, downhill, second gear. Yeah. Oh, I ran out of road again. See what I mean? You're sort of on it, but you soon run out of space. Don't get me wrong, there's a few places on the Isle of Wight you can give it a good send, but not everywhere. I need a good motorway so I can just give it a good bit of beans. Anyway, I'm waffling. I'm going to turn around. Love this DCT, by the way. Anybody that hasn't driven a DCT, have a go. I'm actually hiding, actually poking out of the line here. Back to first. Yeah, have a go if you get the chance. There's a gap. We're going. Full send? Full send. Oh, lots of traction light. And that's normal naughty numbers. Yeah, I've completely lost track. What is this video even about? I don't know. So boot space, quite an important one. If you're a camper, if you like camping and stuff, you might want to put a tent in the back. Or if you like going to B&Q a lot, you might like putting stuff in the boot. This is the size of the 335i boot. There we go. Call that room. Can probably fit a body in there, I reckon, just about. Got the net there for your mad Halfords receipt. Some Fanta fruit twist. Some lug nuts. But you are limited with the size of the hole, so you can't put anything like bigger than the hole in, even though you could probably fit it in here. You probably can't get it through the hole. And this is the size of the Jeep Renegade boot. Not too bad. It's enough to fit a rapid responders medical equipment in there at least, so not too bad. And one of them things. Definitely the biggest out of the... So depending on what you want, if you want to fit a cupcake in there, then either is good. If you want to fit a tent, you're probably better off with the Renegade because it's got a bigger opening. Yeah, so also shout out to Mizam from Carnity, the YouTube channel. He did a video the other day on a Mini, to do like a review on it. I'll leave a little card up there so you can watch that. But he thought the best way to test the practicality of the boot on the Mini was to get in it. It didn't end brilliantly, so make sure you watch that. It's quite funny. But yeah, by him getting in the boot, I made a comment on Instagram about it and my MX5, and basically, long story short, I now need to get in the boot of the MX5 because he doesn't think I'll fit. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. So I'm going to go and give that a go. So I'm going to cut to that clip right now. I'll sort of put my foot there and then let me move that and then I mean, I'm not far off. Okay, try that, Reg. Oh.
Not quite still. There's a bit of hip in the way.
Yeah, hang on. It's my childbearing hips. Try that. Oh God.
I'm putting a fair bit of pressure on that.
Oh. Oh. Yeah. Okay.
What's that though?
Jesus. Oh. New plan. What size is that? Right, let's try again then. So 1 foot. Oh, it's a big hole there now, isn't it? Okay.
Better. Pardon me.
Right, give that a bash, Reg.
Ready?
Yeah.
You're in?
Okay, I'm freaking out now.
Hey?
Can you let me out now?
Freaking out?
Yeah.
How'd you do it?
Oh god. Oh. Honestly, that's the worst thing I've ever done. Oh, I just have visions of that not opening. Alright. What was the point in that? And there you go. That was an experience. So, what's next? 335i versus Renegade is going to be a corner. Going round a corner. Sounds fun, huh? Well, I am in a, round it up to say 400 horsepower rear wheel drive BMW. The Renegade is 120 horsepower, I think it is, from that turbocharged 1 litre beast. So, but that goes to the front wheels. So in terms of fairness, I'm going to turn both the traction controls off and we're going to see which one goes around the corner better. We'll go for the same gear in both and we'll just mash the throttle round the corner and see what happens. So let's try it in the Renegade first. Right, first gear, corner, floor it. It's a wild beast. It's not, but front wheel drive, what can you expect? I don't know if you can hear it on the mic, but we were spinning a wheel up there on the inside. Right, as in this side. I don't know what that is, near side, far side, upside down, whatever. That one, that was spinning. And now let's try it in the BMW. Same sort of corner, but rear wheel drive this time. I have to go and find a corner now. I'll cut back in 2 secs. So like I said, in the interest of fairness, I will put the traction control off, as in properly off by holding the button. I'm going to go into manual, same as the Renegade. Keep things fair, that's what I'm all about. Okay, nice and casual. Plant it. It went sideways, like massively. So, bit of a difference there, really. Let's put the traction control back on, put it back in auto, so we don't start having some silliness happening again. But yeah, bit of a difference to the Renegade. I'll let you make your own judgment on that. But there you have it. If you did like this video, please hit the thumbs up button down there. It massively helps the channel. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? There's a giveaway. When we get to 400 subscribers, I mentioned it in the last video, I'll leave a little card up there, that we're doing a giveaway. So you could win a fantastic prize just by being subscribed to the channel. Easy. But on that note, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers guys.